Hey everybody, show you. Well, I'm back to take you to Maxx because they got new Happy Planet teacher release. Plus, we're going to go around the store and see what else they got, okay? Remember, do not leave the video till they come to. Please stop. And I'll be watching you. Michaels is ready to do their 2022 Happy Planner teacher release, and Miss Yo-Yo got you the video. So we're going to take you around the store, let you see the latest planners for the back to school for 2022 for teachers. We're going to go check out and see what they got in the way of accessories. We're going to check out the planner aisle and see what's all in stock, along with a few sticker books for the back to school for 2022 that Miss Yo-Yo found all right here. Now let me just tell you, Miss Yo-Yo was going to tell you that this sale for the planners and the stickers for back to school was on sale for 30% until July the 2nd. I went back up in there today. They moved the day till July the 9th. What? Okay, Michaels, don't play with me, okay? Don't play with me. I'm not the one. Now, if you would like to show support for my channel, please feel free to check out the playlist. There's other planner videos for you to see from Hobby Lobby, and my latest video, the Target Back to School teacher release, there as well. Now, this is the most I've seen in my planner aisle as far as Happy Planner goes in a while. You tell me, has your planner aisles been fully stocked at your Michaels? Leave a comment below and let me know. And let me just say, I'm kind of a little disappointed because as far as the teacher release goes, they used to have a standing display. Now they've just got an end cap and they've got them spread throughout the whole store. So I'll tell you about that in just a minute. Now these teacher sticker books I found on the side of an end cap. Notice the price, $21.99. Yes, these prices, $21.99. I don't know if they reduced them because they're for teachers, but we're gonna take that, okay? Now, I must say, I'm really digging these teacher sticker books. I usually find one or two that I like that I think that is one of those things that you can use in any layout, and I found a couple here that I really, really like. They had classic size, plus they had big sizes. Remember the price on these are $21.99 at Michaels. I don't know what the price is at JoJo's. I thought they were $23.99, but I'm going to have to go online and check that out. Now, in the way of this Happy Planner Back to School teacher release, I have not seen a lot of sticker books. I've only seen 3 sticker books here at Michaels. I think I saw 2 at Joann's, but I'm waiting. I'm waiting now for Walmart because I think Walmart's coming this next week or so, and I'm going to be checking Walmart. And when I see it, you know, Miss Yo-Yo going to be right over here showing it to her girls, okay? So just to give you a heads up, keep an eye out for that. Now, if you're someone or you know someone that is looking for the Happy Planner teacher release, you can check here at Michael's. Remember, they're having a 30% sale. The original date said the 2nd, but I went back in there today and it said July the 9th. So they pushed the date. And also, I would check Joann's as well, because I know they had a few teacher release items there, and I believe there was a sale on that. But I would check Joann's or Michael's, either one of these, whichever you're closest to. Now, if you do want to check out other options, other planner options, feel free to check out my playlist, because I have planner videos from Joann's, from Michael's, from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby's got that double spiral planner. It's a sweetie pie, classic size and a big. So check those videos out in the playlist. Now, if anyone has previously bought a Happy Planners teacher sticker book, tell me if you think they've done a little revamping here, because I think the quality of these sticker books, the colors look richer. I think they've got some different stickers in here that I normally don't see, but you tell me what your opinion is. Now, if you want to see other back-to-school options for teachers in the way of Happy Planner or Erin Condren or Blue Sky, I would check out Target. Target has their back-to-school section stocked with planners from Happy Planner, Erin Condren, and Blue Sky. And I'll be honest with you, I have a video up if you want to check that out in my playlist, but I think there's something there you might like. Now, these stickers right here, don't forget the note stickers. These are bigs, but these will work in any layout here. This is what I'm talking about. They're making these stickers for the teacher release more versatile, okay? So I just want you to keep that in mind if you're looking at these stickers. And remember, when we get closer to July, August, you might see a reduced price on this, so you might want to keep your eye on something you want to pick up at a lower price later. Now, this is the third place that I found planners, not teacher planners, not back to school planners, but regular 18-month planners that start in July. They have planners here. This is like an overflow here of the 18-month planners. At my Michael's, they have plenty of planners. I think that they've gotten more stock in, but they don't have that much teacher items in here, okay? I mean, they had a few teacher planners. They had those 3 sticker books. I'm going to show you some accessories just to show you what kind of accessories they got in line. Not necessarily teacher accessories, but just to show you what they've got in their accessory stock here at my Michael's. Now, they have a lot in stock for the disc bound rings here. I was eyeballing these black ones here. Look at the price on that, $19.99 for the black metal rings at Michael's. Now look at this. Some of these are $21. Some of them, look at that. The red ones, $17.99. 30% off though. Okay, just keep in mind the 30% sale is running until July the 9th. I had already put a video up and I'm revoicing this because I was like, I can't be sending my girls to go rushing and they don't find out the date don't change, well, the date don't change, okay? It's July the 9th. Hey, my girls, well, thank you so much for checking out the video, okay? I hope you found something here useful. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And also, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn on the all notification. Now, if you want to continue to support my channel, feel free to check out the playlist over here. Now, the disclaimer. Well, when exiting the videos, please check around for all your personal belongings. Remember, no tripping, no falling. Why? Because Miss Yo-Yo girls, they ain't about that life, okay? And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.